Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare copper versus iridium spark plugs. We'll explore the key differences between these two popular types, helping you understand their unique benefits and drawbacks. By the end, you'll have a clearer idea of which spark plug might be the best fit for your vehicle, considering factors like performance, longevity, and cost. Let's dive into the details and make an informed decision together. Copper spark plugs are known for their excellent electrical conductivity, which allows for a strong and consistent spark. This makes them a reliable choice for many standard engines. They are also significantly more affordable upfront, often costing less than $5 per plug. However, their softer electrode material means they wear down faster, usually needing replacement every 20,000 to 30,000 miles. Iridium spark plugs are a premium option, prized for their exceptional durability. Iridium is one of the hardest metals, allowing for a very fine wire electrode that resists wear and provides a more focused spark. This design enhances ignition efficiency and can improve fuel economy. While they cost more, often between $8 and $15 each, iridium plugs can last up to 100,000 miles, offering long-term value. When deciding between copper and iridium, always check your vehicle's owner's manual first. Many modern engines are designed for iridium plugs to meet specific performance and emissions standards. If you prioritize longevity and peak performance, especially in newer or high-performance vehicles, iridium is often the better choice. For older cars, or if you're on a tighter budget, copper plugs can still provide reliable service with more frequent changes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.